All right, guys, so this is my fruit pie filling recipe. So we're gonna start off with a stick of butter. We're going to let this melt almost all the way. And then we're gonna add some fresh mixed berries, strawberry, blueberries, blackberry, and raspberry. We're going to give that a good stir. Add a teaspoon of ginger, a half of lemon, squeeze it almost entirely, enough to taste. And then we're gonna add a half of orange, squeeze that almost entirely also, enough to taste. You want all those elements to be, tasted. Okay, so we're gonna give the berries a good squish, enough to extract it so that you can be able to taste the berry flavor. And then we're gonna add a cup of sugar, granulated sugar. And then we're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a couple of dashes of cinnamon, and we're gonna give that a good stir. Mix it all together, yes. And as you can see, it gets darker. That's the berries, extracting more of the juices. Here I added 2 heaping teaspoons of cornstarch. Give that a good stir, enough to dissolve. And this is going to allow the filling to get thickened, as you can see here. Now guys, you could put this over some pancakes, some waffles, toast, and of course in some pie crust. This is delicious, succulent, and it is enough sweet but not overly sweet. And here we have it.